In a bold move toward modernization and sustainability, the Philippine military has introduced a groundbreaking development in its vehicle program, the 2026 Philippine electric tank. This revolutionary platform marks a significant leap not just for the country's defense strategy but also in the global trend of combining military power with clean energy solutions. Today, we dive deep into the features, implications, and technological innovations behind this electric combat vehicle and what it means for both the Philippines and the future of warfare. The idea of an electric tank might have seemed far-fetched just a decade ago. Traditionally, tanks have relied on large diesel engines to power their heavy armor and massive weaponry. These machines are designed for brute strength, not environmental efficiency. But as nations around the world begin rethinking their military-industrial strategies to align with global sustainability goals, the Philippines has taken a bold step by pushing forward a fully electric combat tank, a move that could change how we perceive armored warfare in the 21st century. Developed in collaboration with the multinational defense consortium and local engineers, the 2026 electric tank is not just a prototype, it is a fully operational vehicle designed for frontline deployment. It is based on the platform codenamed a name inspired by the Philippine eagle: strength, resilience, and independence. What makes the AgilOX platform especially exciting is its all-electric drivetrain, modular system, advanced targeting interface, and stealth operation mode. Let's begin with there. At the heart of the electric tank is a high-capacity lithium titanate battery pack. Unlike conventional lithium-ion batteries, lithium titanate cells offer quicker charging, longer lifespan, and enhanced thermal stability, crucial for combat scenarios. The tank's battery system delivers up to 3,000 horsepower equivalents through dual electric motors located at the rear of the vehicle. These motors provide instant torque, enabling the tank to accelerate from 0 to 40 km per hour in just under 6 seconds, an astonishing feat for a vehicle weighing over 40 tons. But speed isn't the only advantage. The absence of a diesel engine means reduced noise and heat signatures, giving the electric tank an unprecedented stealth advantage in reconnaissance and night operations. In simulated battlefield exercises conducted in and Fort Magsaysay, the tank operated with near-silent movement, allowing it to flank enemy positions undetected. This gives the Philippine Army a critical tactical edge in both defensive and offensive missions. The tank also incorporates a regenerative braking system that allows it to recharge its batteries while moving downhill or decelerating. Additionally, the tank can be plugged into a mobile solar charging station or battlefield generators for quick top-ups. With a fully charged battery, the tank has a combat range of 400 km, more than enough for patrols and rapid deployments across Luzon, Visayas, and even parts of Mindanao. Now, let's talk about firepower. The 2026 electric tank is fitted with a state-of-the-art 120mm smoothbore cannon, capable of firing high-explosive anti-tank rounds, programmable airburst shells, and advanced kinetic energy penetrators. But here's the game-changer: the turret is integrated with AI-based targeting, facial and vehicle recognition software, and an automated stabilization system that allows it to fire accurately even while moving at high speeds or traversing rugged terrain. These features are managed through a smart combat interface with an augmented reality heads-up display, designed for maximum situational awareness. The secondary armaments include a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun and a roof-mounted 12.7mm remote weapon station, both controlled remotely from within the tank's internal cockpit. Operators can use a touchscreen-based interface with joystick controls or switch to full automation in emergencies. The fire control system is integrated with satellite and drone feeds, providing live data to the tank's crew and command centers in real time. Protection-wise, The tank features a modular composite made of ceramic plates and lightweight titanium alloys. This allows it to be replaced or upgraded easily, depending on mission requirements. On top of that, an active protection system has been installed, which includes radar-guided interceptors that can incoming RPGs, anti-tank missiles, and drones before impact. This puts the electric tank on par with some of the world's most advanced armored vehicles from countries like the US, Israel, and Germany. The cockpit itself is a marvel of modern engineering. Unlike traditional tanks, which are often cramped and difficult to maneuver within, the electric tank's interior has been designed with ergonomics and efficiency in mind. The driver and gunners sit in individual, climate-controlled seats equipped with digital touch panels, biometric scanners, and a full 360-degree camera system. For safety, the vehicle includes a built-in fire suppression system, emergency oxygen supplies, and escape hatches that can be activated from multiple points. What's even more impressive is the integration of the tank with a unified command and control system via the Philippine Army's battlefield cloud network. This enables the tank to function as a node in a broader information warfare environment. It can share and receive data from drones, surveillance planes, infantry units, and naval support, allowing commanders to make informed, real-time decisions during combat. Aside from combat performance, the electric tank also reduces logistical burdens. Traditional tanks require constant refueling, regular engine maintenance, and a steady supply of lubricants. The electric variant cuts down these needs by more than 60%, allowing the military to deploy more effectively in remote areas. It also aligns with the Philippine government's Green Military Initiative, which aims to reduce carbon emissions by 25% in the armed forces by 2030. The electric tank program also reflects the Philippines' rising capabilities in indigenous defense manufacturing. A significant portion of the parts, including plating, circuit boards, and AI software, are made domestically by Filipino engineers and defense tech companies based in Batangas, Cebu, and Metro Manila. This not only boosts national pride but also helps create thousands of high-tech jobs in the country. On the international front, the Philippine electric tank has attracted interest from neighboring countries such as Vietnam, Indonesia, and Malaysia, all of whom are exploring similar modernization paths. Military attaché copyrights from these nations have already visited the test facilities, and negotiations are reportedly underway for possible export deals or technology sharing agreements. If successful, this could mark the Philippines' entry into the lucrative global defense export market, a significant milestone for the local economy. Critics, however, point out some of the challenges that come with electric tank deployment. For one, battlefield charging infrastructure is still limited, especially in remote islands where combat operations may occur. Also, the performance of the battery in extreme heat or flooding conditions are both common in the Philippines and is still under evaluation. The Department of National Defense has acknowledged these concerns and stated that upgrades, including hybrid battery packs and better waterproofing, are already being developed for future versions. Nonetheless, the 2026 Philippine electric tank is already a game changer. It embodies a vision of a smarter, cleaner, and more responsive military force that aligns with both tactical superiority and environmental responsibility. With this development, the Philippines has not only improved its military readiness but also made a clear statement: it is ready to lead in the next generation of defense innovation. As we look to the future, the electric tank is just the beginning. Rumors are already swirling about the development of electric amphibious assault vehicles, unmanned electric personnel carriers, and AI-assisted battlefield robotics. The military landscape is shifting rapidly, And the Philippines is positioning itself not just as a regional player but as a serious innovator in military technology. In the end, the 2026 Philippine electric tank isn't just a weapon. It's a symbol. A symbol of progress, of independence, and of a nation that dares to innovate and lead. As other countries watch and take notes, the rest of the world may soon follow in electrifying their own arsenals, and the Philippines will have been at the forefront of that transformation. So whether you're a defense enthusiast, a car and tech lover, or just someone curious about the future of military mobility, the Philippine electric tank stands as one of the most exciting and revolutionary developments of 2026.